Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Chamberlain C2405 MYQ Smart Garage Door Opener, a budget-friendly smart garage system with smartphone control, strong security, and some cool upgrades over older models. But is it the right choice for your home? Let's dive in. Key features and benefits. First up, smartphone control. The MYQ app lets you open, close, and monitor your garage from anywhere. Forgot to close it? No problem. Just tap your phone. Need to let in a dog walker while you're at work? Easy. You even get alerts if the door's left open. But here's the catch. You can't turn on the lights or lock the door from the app. That's a bit of a miss for a smart opener. You'll still need the wall control for those functions. Speaking of the wall control, it does have a lock button and light control hidden under the main switch. So, not a deal breaker, but something to know. Chain drive versus belt drive. Which is better? This model uses a chain drive, which is strong and durable. Great for heavy doors. But here's something interesting. The chain is an 80-20 hybrid. 80% metal links, 20% steel cable. Some installers say a full metal chain, like older models, lasts longer. Also, the rail isn't a single solid piece. It's multiple sections bolted together. If you're replacing an old Chamberlain, you might want to keep your original rail for better sturdiness, dual lights and security features. One upgrade I love? Dual LED lights. Older models had just one bulb, but this one lights up the whole garage. A small but big quality of life improvement. Security is also top-notch with Security Plus 2.0 encryption, 100 billion possible codes, so no one's hacking your garage door. Setup and smart home compatibility. Setup is mostly smooth thanks to Bluetooth pairing, but be warned, there's no printed manual. You'll need YouTube or online guides if you're DIYing it. Also, the app really wants you to enable Amazon Key deliveries. If you don't want that, just exit the setup after Wi-Fi connects. How it compares to other models. How does this stack up against competitors? Versus Genie 7155. The Genie has a quieter belt drive, but Chamberlain's app is more reliable. Versus LiftMaster 8355. Nearly identical, but LiftMaster is pricier. The C2405 wins on value, smart features without the premium price. Who should buy this? Buy this if you want smart control without breaking the bank. You prefer a strong chain drive, maybe reuse your old rail. You need good security and remote alerts. Skip it if you want the absolute quietest opener. Belt drives win there. You need full light, sure lock control in the app. You hate DIY setups without a manual. Final verdict and call to action. Overall, the Chamberlain C2405 is a great mid-range smart opener, especially if you want smartphone control without spending LiftMaster money. Want to see real customer reviews or check today's price? Click the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more smart home gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.